Best practices for securing Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform. Its scalability, reliability, and real-time data processing are well known. As organizations rely on Kafka for their data pipelines, securing it is crucial. We must protect against data breaches, unauthorized access, and service disruptions. Install authentication and authorization. Authentication. Use Kerberos, SSL, TLS, or SASL to authenticate clients and brokers. Kerberos provides a strong security model but can be complex to configure. SSL, TLS is a simpler option. It encrypts communication between clients and brokers. Authorization. Kafka has a built-in ACL system for authorizing user actions. Define ACLs for topics, consumer groups, and cluster operations. They control which users or apps can produce, consume, or manage data, conduct periodic checks and refresh access control lists. Encrypt data in transit and at rest. Encryption is crucial for protecting sensitive data in Kafka. Encrypting data safeguards it from unauthorized access during transmission and on disk. Data in transit. Use SSL, TLS to encrypt data sent between Kafka brokers and clients. This prevents eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks. We update cryptographic codes regularly for secure data protection. Track and audit Kafka activities monitoring. Use JMX metrics, Prometheus, or Grafana to check Kafka's health and performance. Also, check its security. Set up alerts for abnormal activities. Auditing. Enable Kafka's audit logging to record access and modification activities. Examine audit logs for unauthorized access attempts and misconfigurations monthly. Integrate Kafka's audit logs with a central logging system. Secure Kafka configuration and network configuration. Secure Kafka config files. Limit access permissions and avoid hard-coded sensitive info. Use secure storage solutions for credentials and configuration settings. Keep configuration files private and separate from version control repositories. Network. Use firewalls and VPNs to secure access to Kafka brokers. Use network segmentation to isolate Kafka clusters from other parts of your infrastructure. Conclusion. In conclusion, securing Apache Kafka is complex. It requires implementing authentication and authorization, encrypting data, maintain software through timely revisions and security fixes, monitoring and auditing activities, securing configuration and network settings. These best practices will help organizations protect their Kafka deployments. They will guard against security threats, ensure data integrity, and meet industry standards.